once said, "Don't judge me by my successes. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got up back again." A very good morning to one and all. Today, I, Mansi Sisodia of class 12th Commerce, is going to conduct today's morning assembly on behalf of senior classes. As today is Nelson Mandela International Day, so we will know about many things related to that determined, smart, kind, thoughtful and strong person, a man of peace, none other than Nelson Mandela. First of all, let's start the day by remembering our God and a prayer. So I would like to invite Hinakshi for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Nelson Mandela Day is an annual international day celebrated each year on 18 July, that is Mandela's birthday. Now I would like to invite Bhavya for a meaningful thought.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one language, the language of heart. इसका हिंदी में भावार्थ है, जाति है तो एक, मानवता की जाति, धर्म है तो एक, हृदय और सद्भावना का धर्म, और भाषा है तो एक, मन की भाषा. थैंक यू.
Nelson Mandela was one of the most famous human rights defender of the 20th century in the face of a movement against racial injustice. Now I would like to invite Himanshu of class 10th for a poem with the help of PowerPoint presentation. Hope you will understand the depth of this meaningful poem.
You are evil and sharp as a knife. You toy with a human's life. You fill a human's heart with sorrow and hate. Look at what you have done. Look at their state. Everyone is born different. Isn't that true? When God has given us five senses, then why listen to the dark vision of the eye? We are both God's creation, created to love and help each other. White or black, it doesn't matter. Love supersedes all. Please let us come together as one. Please let us live together as one. Please let us be happy as one. But now, there is no time for begging. This movement is within us, within the prayers of our ancestors. This healing and cleansing fire is the proof that our voice is reclamation, our body is pure, our soul is bright, and we are the one. Cause at end, you are nothing but dust of human.
A very inspirational quote by Nelson Mandela for students is, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Now I would like to invite Harshmani for sharing some amazing facts which he has collected.
So today, on 18th of July 2021, we are celebrating 103rd birthday of Nelson Mandela, and this day is also known as Mandela's Day. There are two Mandelas basically. The one is every black guy playing in Hollywood movie.
I have a beautiful wife. They're not breaking any laws.
Then other is Nelson Mandela. So let's talk about the second one. Many of you didn't know, but Nelson Mandela's real name was not Nelson. His real name was Rohilila.
Asked, what is your name?
I told him my African name, Horislas. He says, no, I don't want that one. You must have a Christian name. So I say, no, I don't have one. She says, from today, you are going to be Nelson.
Now the reason why Nelson Mandela got a Christian name because in early 20th century there was white supremacy all over the South Africa and you can't have the name which you can't pronounce. So this was the operation that pushed Nelson Mandela towards a revolutionary movement and he made African National Congress when he was just 26 years old. In 1948, South African government set up apartheid which made legal racism the foundation of the entire country. South African black people can't even vote, they have specific areas to live, they can't watch football and any other sports. Mandela lived for 27 years in prison and the more he lived in prison, the more he became legendary. By 1980s, people are organizing concerts all over the globe to free Mandela, except India and Pakistan because they have their own issues. In all the years, he became a legend from a leader, and when he became the first black president of South Africa, he allowed white people to live in South Africa. That was his legacy. That's for today, guys. I hope you like all the facts about Nelson Mandela and now you know who he was actually.
A winner of Nobel Prize in 1993 and South Africa's first democratically elected president in 1994, Mandela devoted his life for fighting apartheid and creating a more just society. Now I would like to invite Ria for delivering a speech on Nelson Mandela.
Good morning friends, this is Miria and I am here to deliver a speech on the topic Nelson Mandela. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary and philanthropist who served as a president of the South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the first black head of the state and was first elected in a fully democratic representative elections. His government focused on dismantling the legacy of apartheid by tackling the institution of racism and social reconciliation. Apart from this, friends, do you know about the personality and behavior of Nelson Mandela? If not, I'll tell you. Nelson Mandela was widely considered a charmistic leader, described by the biographer Mary Benson as a born mass leader who could not help magnetizing people. He was highly image conscious and throughout his life always sought out fine equality clothes, with many commentators believing that he carried himself in a regal manner. Despite terrible provocation, he never answered racism with racism. His life is an inspiration to all who are oppressed and deprived. He died at his home, Johannesburg, on 5 December 2013. Thank you friends and have a nice day.
Coming to the end, now I would like to request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to address us with her golden words and her value inputs.
Good morning, children. In today's assembly, we learnt about the life of Nelson Mandela, the man whose fearless leadership laid the foundation of modern South Africa. His autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, teaches us that if we truly believe in our dreams, we cannot rest till we achieve them. So this is how important it is to have a vision or goal in life. So you all must plan what do you want in your life so that you're driven by that passion. There are many quotes which have been given by Nelson Mandela, and my favorite is, draw a line under your past. So your past should not decide your future. Every day is a new chapter in your life. So every day you must commit yourself to whatever your goal, your achievements, whatever you want. So like your students, so what should be your goal? Your goal should be disciplined, be committed, do well in academics, be respectful. That is very, very important. Be respectful towards your teachers, towards your parents, towards your elders. Now we have started the classes for classes 9 to 12. So you're getting this opportunity in this pandemic times to physically attend the classes. So my good wishes to the teachers, to all the students. May we be able to make good of these times so that we are able to perform better and we are able to do well. So my good wishes to all the teachers, all the students. Wish you good luck.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words. That's all for today's morning assembly. Thank you, have a nice day and keep smiling.